who is working for the LA County Department of Agriculture, has headed up this investigation as a direct instigator and attempted a raid 5 years in a row on our farms and also on our local food clubs. There's a documentary that's out. It's called Farmageddon. It shows across the U.S. that this is actually happening. We are not free. We are not free to choose. We don't get to access our rights, our freedom of choosing our foods. Across the U.S., farms are being shut down, animals are taken to a slaughter, foods are taken to a dump. Why? Because it's a direct threat on the Department of Agriculture, on the dairy industry.
Lastly, I read that, I think it's the LAPD or someone at the DA's office says that members here openly threaten to kill officers. What can you tell me about that?
I mean, there's all sorts of, we're right here on Venice Beach. Cliches are quoted and shouted throughout. We realize that the officers that are here are only here to protect the authorities, that we realize that they're doing their job. It's unfortunate that the job that they're doing and what they're attacking has a greater cause, and the greater cause is again, it's that big industry that's being threatened, and that's why raw milk across the U.S. it has a big threat.
Do you think what's happening here is un-American? Is that how you would describe it? I
would. I mean, it's clearly it's inhibiting our rights. It's our freedom to choose our foods. You know, the FDA doesn't want you to choose your foods. I mean, they have clearly put out statements saying that Americans are stupid and they can't choose their own food. They don't know what's good for them. They know what's better for us. They know that aspartame is better for us, and that's why it's legal and raw milk's not.
Is raw milk not as healthy, or are there more risks with unpasteurized milk versus pasteurized milk?
I would say that any commercial dairy that is not pasteurized has a huge risk. I would say anything from a local farmer that you know how they're treating their animals and their cleanliness, there's nothing wrong with that, and it's actually a nutrient-dense superfood that's really good for you. We have plenty of mothers that drink raw milk during their pregnancy and also give it to their children. I would call it the sushi of milk.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Leland, thank you.
Yeah.
All right.